Hi, my name is Dr. Amee Daxini. I'm a practicing dermatologist in Bangalore in my clinic called Think Skin Clinic. So now with so many religious festivals coming in, fasting is seen on an increase around the world in the second half of every year. But skincare routines are extremely essential, especially during fasting, because the inside milieu of our body changes. With that, the skin changes. Here I'm giving you certain tips that you can use to prevent your skin undergoing any change during your fasting time. The first thing to remember is always stay hydrated. So even if you are not eating what you normally would eat, do not forget to drink your water. It's important that you drink it regularly so that your skin remains moisturized, supple and hydrated. In your fast, you do not drink water for a specific period of time. Remember, you can spray a mist or just cold water on your face regularly, dab it dry and apply your moisturizer to retain the moisture in the skin. This will keep your skin supple as well as hydrated. The second thing to remember is do not forget to moisturize. So after you've started your fasting process, there are so many other things, especially if it's related to a festival, that we forget to take care of our skin. Moisturization is the key. Because after you've drunk enough water or applied a lot of mist on your face, you need to retain the moisture and prevent its evaporation. So continue moisturizing your face more frequently than you would normally do. The third is avoid sunlight, but don't forget your sunscreen even if you're indoors. Fasting can sometimes make you a little low on energy and thereby you stay indoors. And sometimes there is this misnomer that, okay, if I'm indoors, I'm not going to use my sunscreen, but that's a myth. You need to use your sunscreen even if you're at home every 2 to 3 hours. Repeat it and apply adequate amount to give you good sun protection. This will not only help your skin rejuvenate, stay calm, cool, because the sunscreen also has anti-inflammatory properties, but it will also prevent water loss from the surface of your skin. Remember to sleep adequately, because when you sleep, the skin rejuvenates, repairs itself, and thereby when you wake up in the morning, you look fresh even though you're fasting. And last but not the least is do not forget to use a gentle cleanser, because when you are fasting, the natural oil secretion may not be optimum. If you use an exfoliating cleanser, it might just strip away the skin of all the natural oils, making you look dull, tired, and at times even increase skin sensitivity. So use mild cleansers twice a day, use lukewarm or tap water. Don't forget to stay hydrated, sun protected, and sleep well.